think of summer, I think of citrus.
Lots of fruit.
And today I'm going to be sharing with you a diffuser recipe called Citrus Summer that's going to remind you of a sweet summer day.
All right.
For this recipe, you'll need 2 drops of Grapefruit Essential Oil, 3 drops of Citrus Burst Essential Oil, and 1 drop of Juniper Berry.
Okay.
So put some water in your diffuser, add 3 drops of Citrus Burst, 2 drops of Grapefruit, 1 drop of Juniper Berry Essential Oil. Plug in your diffuser, turn it on, get a good whiff,
Smell it.
and enjoy the citrus smell of summer. If you love this blend, make a master blend of it and remember to label it using 55 drops of Citrus Burst, 33 drops of Grapefruit Essential Oil, and 16 drops of Juniper Essential Oil.
Perfect.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Sila.
We're certified aromatherapists. We love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So for more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com and check out our recipe box.
Check out our blog as well to learn how to make your home toxin-free.
Thanks for watching.
If you love this blend, make a batch.